Is this on? Oh.
Spray Alana.
We were just talking about it. Or the mic.
Or maybe not. Where?
I put 11 to 1, so I had to fix it to a 2.
Nice. What?
Come get a car wash! We do a great job! Come get a car wash!
You tired already? You've been here how long?
5 minutes. Yeah.
This summer. So you need lots of camera time.
Okay, that's next thing.
I don't know. Splash it, smash it. I don't know.
On the camera.
Remember last? Come on, you're dancing. There you go. Yeah, I want you to do it.
We're doing a GoPro. Who did that? We need more soap in the thing. Carter? Somebody, so this might not be the best. Is this even on anymore? I feel like it's not. Well, I'm kind of broke.
Well, you got a lot of people in there. You got money?
I don't have any money. I'm
Come on, no money?
table over there.
Oh, there's more. Wait, you're broke.
I am. I have a hair tie.
You have a hair tie, no money? Nobody's got
I
money?
was on that table over there, but unfortunately, just so big on her. Take your wallet. Wait, I have $1.
Is it even recording? $1? All right. All right, you get 3 doors washed.
Oh, the car's on it. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's blocking it.
Everybody, like, what's a message to the future, to your future self? To my future self, I want to, but not like to future, just like end of the season. To enjoy my junior season and have a blast and have so much fun and yeah, just enjoy it. What about you, Neve? What's the message to your future self? Yeah, for vlogging.
Like that we haven't counted. I know.
I guess just the same thing as Marin. Just have fun. That's so real.
Yeah.
Anything to add?
I'm so excited to see my friends every day.
Me too. I want to score 5 goals.
I scored 2 last year.
Okay. Yeah, girl. 5 goals. Adding 3.
Thanks, Lou. Guys, look, it's my thing. Not let in more than 4 goals playing against one. That's a goal. That's a hard one.
Our goal right there. You can do it. Oh, look, the man, the myth, the legend. Right here. Listen, we were going around and saying one thing we want to like have achieved or like a goal based off like this season. What's one thing that you want to have like achieved or like a goal for this season?
Win a home sectional game?
Nice.
Or 2?
Or 2.
Or
3.
Or 3. Well, I don't know if we get 3. The final would be a win.
Yes, that's true. That's
So
a great
deep
goal.
into the sectionals.
That's great.
Maybe all the way.
Yes, we can do that. Reese.
I think another person done though.
Reese, what about you? What's one thing that you want to have for this season?
To win and to maybe score a goal.
Yeah.
1 goal?
Maybe multiple.
I think we can aim for multiple. How about this one right here?
Like only 4 goals.
Make some friends. Yeah, let's be nice. Make friends. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can see each other. Nice. This is cool.
Do you remember the blue bus from last year?
Okay, so how do I turn it off now?
That was fun.
Push the red button, top will turn it off.
My water was like tilted all the right way.
Oh my god.
That doesn't come off.
Yeah, it's car wash done.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chuck?
Why don't you ask your mom what we can do to close?
Why are you laughing?
Whatever that means.
Is that...
Burning.
Oh, I was with a tree.
No, I was showing you that the wind is coming from that side.
Okay.
And the storm too. What was your favorite part about this?
Ordering my
Alana? Try again.
my favorite part was I thought you were putting my face. My favorite part was washing the cars.
Here's Maddie's boots. This is Aubrey's cake. Is there a space
On top of
Your backpack.
Right?
Oh, here it is.
Anybody else like Gatorade or water?
I want food. I want to go to Icewear and get fries.
I thought it was face paint, but it's bingo.
What?
It's a bingo stick.
What is that?
They're like, you know, like a bingo, and they like.
Cute. She see that.
Birds of a feather. We should stick together. I know. I said I'd never think I wasn't better.
I was singing this at workouts and she got mad at me.
You don't know the song?
No, I was singing. She was crying on my shoulder.
All I could do is hold her. Only minutes closer until July. And I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. I can put it all behind me. But baby, I see her. So she asked of my mind all the time. Oh God.
Way over there.
Vlog. I mean, what's up? What's up? Go back to my channel. Today we're at the IHS Girls Car Wash.
Up over here, guys.
We're winning a, do you think we're winning a brick this year?
Why are you putting a straight face? This is only the mic. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
It's not even on.
We're winning states this year, Liv.
Yes, sir. Is it brick season for you guys?
It is brick season. It's brick season for me. I'm not sleeping on you. Is it brick season?
Yeah.
Brick season? Plus Venmo.
I think they counted the Venmo.
Oh.
I don't think the record.
Car wash done. Who's behind me?
I got my own.
And actually, I think the angles. The angles. Did we get Addie's dad's Venmo?
Okay.
And the
Angles. Angles? Yo.
I got those.
Got some angles.
Yeah, I got my own YouTube channel because I know the angles.
I'm gonna use it. Guys, car wash done. We lucky ate.
I don't want to car wash.